to our live class today. How you doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so excited that you're here. All right, if you can hear me, just say hi in the comments. Let me know that you're here right now. If you're here, just say hi in the comments. Say hi, say hi, say hi in the comments. All right, so if you're here, just let me see you say hi. Just say hi. Just say, let's know that you're here with us live. Let's know that you're here. Okay, so I'm just going to go on. I mean, as time goes on, I know that we'll get to say hello to everyone. I can see everyone here currently right now. Thank you so much for saying hi. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for being here. So I'm just going to go straight into what we have for us today. So for us today, we're going to be looking at spot trading, and I'm going to be, working on looking at doing it on Binance and then probably looking at it across other exchanges, right? So looking at it across other exchanges will give us an opportunity to see whether these nuances are the same. Okay, so as I said, I'm currently on Binance, right? And I'm going to be looking at doing a spot trading activity here. And we're going to also do this live. Like I always love to do my trades live. I'm sure you can tell that I love. Yes, I can see your highs. Yeah, thank you. BB Titans, hi, how are you? Kome, you're welcome. Thank you. I'm seeing you said, BB Titan says, I used 60 USDT for triangular arbitrage and lost what? 1.3 USDT. Wow, sorry about that. But let's see how this goes, right? I'm just letting you know that I can see your comments. Thank you so much for joining us. Okay, so let's quickly go on very quickly. Today, I'm currently going to be looking at the spot trading event, and we're going to be doing that together. Yes, and if you have any questions or comments as it goes, don't forget to use the live chat, right? I'll be able to see that on another device I'm using here, and then I'll be able to answer your questions and we can do this together. Okay, so right now I'm on the home page of Binance, as you can see very well. I'm on the home page of Binance, and what I do is that when we get to the home page here, you'll see that there's a list of favorites, hots. We've got gainers, we've got losers, we've got new listings, 24-hour volume, market cap, and all of those good stuff, right? So normally, when I'm looking at trades, I like to look at gainers and new listings, but my favorite really is gainers. So first off, let's go ahead and click on gainers. Okay, now you can see here that we've got a couple of coins here. Now, of course, like you always know, I love to go for coins that are really tiny, right? So even though we have you click on view more to be able to see all the coins in the order that they're actually listed, right? So you can see that Loom has the highest, and that's 28% increase in the last 24 hours. Interesting, right? Then we have JUV, that's 20.01% change in the last 24 hours, and on like that. So what I do is that, within the first 1 to like 10, I'd look at it and check, okay, if I can get anyone that's like probably like 10-ish, 10%-ish, 12-ish and things like that, I'll look at those ones. Now, I normally I would check, right, all of these ones starting from the highest, and then we'll take a good look at the technical analysis and look at all the nuances that goes into doing the spot trading, right? Yeah, so first off, let's just click on Loom here. So we're on Loom, as you can see here. Now, take a good look at it. Now, because we're on Binance, right, you can see that we have the parabolic stars. Parabolic stars, for me, is my absolute best indicator. Let me know in the comments which of the indicators you like to use. Let me know in the comments, which of the indicators do you normally like to use to check on your technical analysis? Which one? I'd like to hear from you. Just drop that in the comments so I can see it here. Okay, so as you can see something here, take a good look. Let me enlarge this for you to to see. Now, you'll see that right now, it's already on an upward trend. The only problem I'm looking at here is that I'm seeing that the parabolic stars had started pushing down. But it doesn't mean that it's not in pump mode. It's just that there was a pullback and now it's rising again. So how would I take this trade? First off, I'll look at the parabolic stars, and then I would also look at, the RSI. This is the RSI. You can see where it is. I'll just check the level it is right now. It's currently at 68%, which is good, actually. It's in rising mode. So what would I do to this, right? When I've checked those two technical analyses and I'm seeing that this is actually in pump mode, right? Even though I may still wait and see, maybe let's look at 4 hours. Let's check what's going on. The 4 hours is also looking good because the parabolic stars is looking up. On a 1 day level, let's look at 1 day. 1 day level, oh my God, is in pump mode, but I can see that it's deepening a little bit. So what would I do? Let's go to check 15 minutes. I'm checking the 15-minute chart right now, and I'm seeing that it's also on pump mode, right? So as you can see now, I checked across timelines, and I'm seeing that normally, 1 hour is like median, the one that you should look at and check through and say, okay, you want to take a decision by. 1 hour is really good, right? But what you should do also is that you should check across other timestamps. Like you check for 15 minutes, you check for 4 hours, you check for 1 day, and then you see that most of them should come across at the same trajectory, and that will give you a sense of where it's going. Now, even though I'm seeing here, I can see, let me make it larger for you. As you can see here, it's a bit looking like it wants to go down, but it's still on the green. So, but first off, I'm looking at this. Let's go to the next one. Let's look at the other one. Let's look at JUV. Oh, JUV is $2.33. I'm not sure I want to do that, but I was just checking for us to be able to look at these things. Oh, look at it. No, I don't think I would take this one. As you can see, it's been on a roller coaster. I wouldn't, even though the parabolic stars is looking up. I'm seeing a lot of tails here. A lot of tails, that means that it will rise and it will decrease. It will rise and decrease, and that movement is not comfortable. Apart from that, it's $2.31. So, and I don't think I want to take that. Let's look at STPT. That looks like something I would like to take. But no. Why wouldn't I take this? The parabolic stars has gotten to a point where I know right now for sure that it's actually in a downward trend. I'm not going to take this. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parabolic stars. I wouldn't take it. Even though it's looking like a very nice coin to choose, I wouldn't take that. Let's go with ARK. ARK, let's see. I'm not sure. Same thing here. I'm not going to go with this, and no, I wouldn't. Now, why am I not going with this? You can see where the parabolic stars is. It's once the parabolic stars goes beyond like 3 or 4, then you know that actually it's in the downward direction. That once you see that, you know that, oh yes, it's gaining momentum, right? Now, apart from that, when I get to see something I really want to use, then I will now start checking, the volumes and all of those good stuff, right? So let's go back. Which one would I use? Let's go ahead. There's there's AMB, which is 6.26. Let's check that one out. Would I go with this? No, I wouldn't go with this. Now, I'm taking you through this step by step to let you know how I choose coins, because I know a lot of people love to know, how do you choose coins? How do you choose coins? Yeah, these are the things I look at, right? So you can see that this coin is very cheap. Wow, this is looking like in pump mode. Will I go with this? Oh my God, it's looking like it's done with its pullback and it's going up. It's going up. Look at this. Look at the RSI. It's 48. It's on 47. Would I go with this? Oh, it's looking juicy, but I'm scared about this 3 red candles. I'm scared about it. Let's go back to the one that so far, what I've been seeing, past 5 ones I've looked at. Loom still looks like it's good. Like we can take a position on that. Let me come down a little bit more. Look at this STMX. It's been a while I dealt with XTMX. Let's go check. Oh no, that's not it. But this one was also good. But let's check STMX. STMX. Wow, look at this. Ooh, well, look, I must let you know, this looks like this is in pump mode, right? It looks like something I will naturally take. Wow. Let's look at this. The parabolic stars has really gone far. Okay, where this is looking 60. 60, it's in an upward trajectory. Wow, should we go with this? Should we go with this? I'm checking. Okay. Excuse me. Should we go with this? What do you think in the comments? Tell me what you think. It looks good. The parabolic SARS is up and it looks like it's going to go up, right? Should we go with this? What do you think? Let me know what you think in the comments. Say hi in the comments and let me know what you think. Do you think we should go with this? This STMX is looking good. I haven't seen your replies, but no problems. We're still here. Yeah, we're still here. Let's go on. Let's go on. Yeah, welcome. I can see everybody here. I can see the likes. Thank you so much. God bless you. Yeah, so let's go ahead. I think we should take a position on this, but it's looking like it's looking stuck. I haven't seen much of a movement, but let's go ahead and now check the other things. Let's look at the volume, right? Let's look at the volume. Now you can see that the volume that's been traded here within the past 24 hours is 5.19 million. Wow, 5.19 million USDT. That's about 793.45 million STMX. Interesting. Would I go with that? Not sure. But let's go ahead. I'm going to check another one and check to compare. This looks good, but I want to see another one that looks good also. So STMX is one that we can consider. Let's go to the top. Then Loom again. Let's look at Loom one more time. Okay, look at what I'm saying. This is what I want you to look at. Can you see that it's already on a red candle? Can you see what I'm saying here? Once you see that the parabolic SARS, right, is already coming down, it's past 3, then you should not take this. Don't go with it. It's already on a downward trajectory. So I'm not going to pick that anymore. So I'm striking that off my list. I would look at STPT. It's also looking like it will work. But the only problem I'm having is that the parabolic SARS has gone really far and it looks stuck. And this can pull out one that you don't expect. So I'm not going to go for this. I'm not seeing enough volatility for me to go with this, right? Then the next one would be to let me look at Bake. Let's look at Bake. Bake, same way. The parabolic SARS has set in. I'm not doing this. Let's go check another one. Now, this is the work that we all have to do, right? This is work we have to do. Because if we don't, and that's why it's a live trade, right? It's a live trade and we're looking at things together, right? So I'm looking at this one. Aave looks good, but it's $68. No way. I'm not doing that. There's 67 cents. Oh my God. What are we doing? I'm looking for, okay, let's look at this TRU. TRU has a change of 3%, 3.7%. Will I go with this? Ooh, interesting. Look at this one. The parabolic SARS looks good. It's going up, but at a point, it looks like it's going to change direction any moment. I'm not going with this. So far, what I'm seeing is that we may just be able to work with STMX. I'm looking for another one that's similar to STMX. You can see that everything keeps on changing from time to time, right? STMX, let's go back to STMX. Maybe we should work with STMX. Let's work with STMX. Let's see what it's giving us. Oh, okay, I'll go with STMX. Then let's look at it in 15 minutes. What is it giving us? Same thing here. In 4 hours, what's it giving us? Yeah, the parabolic SARS is still looking up. 1 day, it's still, yeah, you look at what's happening now. In the 1 day level, I'm seeing that the parabolic SARS is up, but for every other thing, it's still good. So what it means that it's in pump mode now. It may likely change direction soon, but at least we should be able to get something out of here. So let's go with this. So what are we going to do? First off is I was just going to buy outrightly. When you see something like this, that is on pump mode, you buy outrightly. You don't waste time. So let's go into the, I have $100 here. And I'm just going to, let's try and shake everything up. So I'm going to pick it up, right? So let's quickly do a quick simulation, right? What we have is 0.0064. But before we go ahead, one more thing that we need to look at is the the 24-hour high and the 24-hour low. Look at the 24-hour high. It went up to 6790, okay? And the lowest it was 6236. So where are we right now? It's at 66. So that means that it's still closer to the top. It's still closer to the top. So can it get there? We will see. So let's go ahead and see what we can do, okay? So we're going to quickly do a quick simulation. And then the quick simulation, you see it picked up 99.99 and we have 15,053. So I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to go to sell, change this quickly. Let's change it to 67 and see if it's too much. We'll reduce it, right? If it's too much, we'll reduce it. Okay. I'm trying to get this out of the way. All right. Oh, yeah. Gotten it out of the way right now. Okay. So let me go back. I'm trying to sell. I'm going to put this. What am I going to put that up? Let me put it at 7 there. 6, 7. Okay. Let me go back. Shake that up again. And then I'll change this. Let's put this at 7. Okay, that's 6. Oh, sorry. Let me just increase this. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. That's not what I wanted to do. It's like this, okay? All right. Okay, sorry about that. Seems like I wasn't able to get a very good amount there. So that's 6, that's 7. Okay, 7. So 6, 7. And then I'm going to put in my STMX and paste that in. Okay, that's 85 cents. No, that's not going to be enough. Let's put 675. Okay, that's $1.60. Okay, so $1.60 will be 1.6%, right? Would it get there? Let's go back and check our graphs to be sure. Oh, see what's going on here. See what's going on here. And you must always be checking this. You must oh yeah, let me see. There's someone who's saying something here. It says, yeah, thanks, madam, for the great work. Thank you so much. This is from Percy. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, look at this now. Now, I haven't even taken the trade, and I'm seeing, because you see, one thing that I just noticed here, once the parabolic SARS is already advanced, it likely will change direction. So because of that, that's why we have that tail there. You can see it's coming down. So I think we shouldn't take this. The best we could do is to try and maybe set a buy limit. And afterwards, we will now try to set a sell limit. Okay. But this is already giving me the creeps. So I'm not interested in taking this outright, except maybe, oh, it looks like it's going to go up. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. I mean, there's no harm trying. No harm trying here. So let me do this one more time. Okay, so we'll pick this up, copy, then we do that. We'll change this to 6, 7. Let's see, can we get 6, 7 there? 6, 7, 5. Okay, let's see if we put in there, what will we get? $1.60. All right, but what if it doesn't get to 675? If it gets to 671, what will we get? Well, we'll get $1. But let's see, how long will this take? Are we sure that this is going to take some short time? Right? Well, I'll do this again. We're going to pick this up again. All right. Oh, see what's going on? The price is going down. That's what's happening. Okay. No. Let's go ahead and buy. All right. So I'll just go ahead and buy this. Okay. Let's see. 1 to go. Oh, we're in the queue. Excuse me. We're in the queue. No, I don't want to be in the queue. I don't want to be in the queue. The reason why I don't ever want to be in the queue in spot trade is because, opportunities can quickly pass us by, and I don't want that to happen. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to pick a higher price. So because we want to get this quickly bought, okay? So when we do this, Now. See what's going on here? If I just buy it here, what will I get? Oh, the price is actually going up. See what's going on? We could have bought. It's going up. Let's get out. Let's quickly get on this train. Don't let it pass us by. This is working. Come on. Let's see if we do this, it will give us again. Success. Awesome. So we got that sold, right? So now let's quickly put a sell limit. Okay. So I'm going to put a sell limit. Let me go and see what's going on here. See, it's going up. It is going up. Awesome. It's going up. It's like in its final push before it changed direction. Okay. So let's see. If I sell this, what would I get? Oh, yeah. What do we have left? We have, okay, 0.00. Okay, let's see. So now if I want to place a sell limit, right, because I know this is going to go up. Let me see how much we got here. Okay, let me go back. And then let's put this at 669. Let me see, 669. Let me see. Look, if I put it at 669 already, and I know it's going to get to 669 in a very short while. Can you see? Oh my God. See this beautiful. Look at this. This is awesome. It's going up. All right. So let's go ahead. Let's do this. I'm just going to let's put 6.7. Will it hit 6.7? Let's see. Let's put 6.7. Let's put 6.7. If I put 6.71, what will I get? 81 cents? Nah, I don't want that. 6.74. What will I get here? Okay, because I don't want to waste time, We just want to make sure that we make a quick sale, right? Oh, look at this. Even right on here, can you see what's going on here? It's in pump mode. It's in pump mode. Let's put that. Let's just put 3. All right, so let's just make it 3.474. All right, I'll just make it 7.4, and that will be $1.26. Of course, I'm just trying to choose a very conservative, very conservative one. Very, very conservative. Okay, would I go with that? Let's see. Okay, so we're currently in the queue right now, but I'm just if I want. Look, let me tell you something. I can actually make profit right now. Right? Because if I go let's check the what's it called now? Our trading history, right? If we check your trading history, you'll see what's going on here. Look at the trading history. Can you see that? How much did we buy it as? We bought it at 6649. So currently we're in profit. We're currently in profit right now, right? We're currently in profit, right? Oh my God. Look at this. Ooh, interesting. I can actually let me cancel this and show you that I can actually make profit right now, just to show you that this is very possible, right? So if I choose this, now what am I doing? Okay, no, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's do this. Let's sell and let's see. Can you see we're already in profit 21 cents? But it's too tiny. It's too tiny. So are we going to go with this? Maybe just to get out of the trade and just show you that this is quickly possible, right? But for now, I'm just looking at this and I know it's going to push up one more time. So I'm not going to. So what we're going to do is that let's just leave it, right? Let's leave it. Let's go back and put this at 667. 67 what? What's that? 67. Was it 674? I think it was 674. 674. Okay, let's put it back. So that right now we already are currently in the queue. All right, we're currently in the queue. And I can see, let me go back to the charts. Let's check the charts out one more time. The charts, as you can see, look at this. Look at the RSI. The RSI is at 62. It's not yet at 70. If it was like beyond 70, I definitely wouldn't want to go with this. Reason being that, when you're talking about the RSI, you want to make sure that it's not gone beyond 70, or probably even it's just dancing around 70. It's not gone too far, because don't forget, when it comes to RSI, once it gets to the 70 mark, it's already getting prepared to come down, right? It's, oh my God, see what is going on? Beautiful. Oh my God, it's gonna hit it. It is. I can see it. I can see it. In fact, right now, let me go see whether if we cash out, will we make a profit? I don't know. Let's go and see if it's just for this, for this what we call it now, for this tutorial, just to see that we can actually start a trade. Oh no, that's too small. That's too small. It's gone down again. Don't mind me. I like to make fun. I mean, you need to enjoy what you do, right? 14 cents. Nah, I'm not doing that. Let's go back. No problems. I thought it had hit a mark that I could use. Anyway, it hasn't. So I'm just gonna wait for it. Just wait for it. Wait for it. So this time around, let's go back. Okay, let's put it back and we'll leave it. We'll leave it. Definitely we'll come back and look at how this, this is gonna end, right? But first of all, let's just leave that for now. Let me go back to the charts. I was talking about, the RSI. Now, of course, somebody will say, you're already in profit. Why can't you just cash out? No. It's still going to push up. And if it doesn't, we'll just wait for it, right? That's why it's limit order. So I was talking about the RSI, that if it goes beyond 70 at the beginning, it's better you don't go into the trade, right? Once it's just dancing around 60 to 70, you can use it, because then at that point, there's a lot of momentum pushing it up, right? A lot of momentum pushing it up. So because that momentum is there, it's going to push it up to the end. Do you understand? Now, I can see there's a little drawback right now. That always happens in trading. One thing pushes up, it comes down a bit, and it pushes up and it comes down a bit. That's how it is, right? So let's go ahead. So and then let's go and do another trade. Are we cool? Does anybody have any questions so far? If you have any question, does it look like it's easy for us to carry this out? Don't forget to drop that in the charts. In the chats. Did I say charts now? I meant chats. Like the chats where you talk to me. Okay. So let's go ahead and try another trade. We're going to go to another platform, because today it's all about spot trading. Yeah. And we're going to look at it across different platforms. Then we'll come back and check what's going on here. Right. So we're going to come back and see what's happening to our STMX. But for now, let's go ahead. We're currently in profit because, it's higher than the price we bought it. So I'm just going to go over. Let's go over and then take a good look at KuCoin. Okay. Look at KuCoin. We're currently on KuCoin. And the same thing, I want to let you know that all these things could actually work for different platforms. So let me go to the main page, right? This is my KuCoin account. The same way we have gainers, new, and all of that, we have gainers and we have new. It doesn't have, I don't think it doesn't have, it has losers. It has new. That new is new listings, right? So we have gainers. So we can click on gainers, and we'll also see that it also has its own level of gainers. And we're going to check the same thing we're doing, checking it out, right? So we're here currently on KuCoin, yeah, trying to do a spot trading event also here, right? And then we're going to check out the gainers. All right, so here we have NGL, and it has 63%. It has risen that within 24 hours change. So let's check what this is all about. Let's see whether this is actually going to work. Okay, now in KuCoin, we don't have parabolic stars. You can see that these are the indicators. It has MA, EMA, Bollinger, and it has MACD, KDJ, and RSI. So I'm sticking with the ones I know. I can use Bollinger bands. So when you see now, can you see what's going on here? When you see the Bollinger bands are enlarging, that means it's going up, right? So that's the way you know when it's enlarging, when the lines are enlarged, but when the lines are converging, right? I can see that tightening up. That means that the prices are going down. And you can see this as a pure example of this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Can you see here? The price is going down, and the Bollinger bands are tight, 27%. Let's check that out. Okay, like this is on an upward trend. Do we want to try this out? Okay, then you take a good look at other things like, the different things here. The 24-hour is currently on 0.7299. All right. 24-hour low is 0.55. Right. And what is it currently right now? It's 0.72. Oh, so it's very, very close to the upward trend, right? So, and then what's the volume? Wow. 188,703 USDT. That's not much, really. That's 2.83 million of the DPETs, right? But you can see it's on an upward trend. So it's possible that this, okay, let's check the RSI. What is the RSI telling us? What is it telling us? It's at, I'm not even seeing it very well. Is that 85 I'm seeing? No, that's not what I'm seeing. I don't know why this is not showing things. They look very funny. It very well. I don't know why, but it looks like the RSI it's somewhere heading towards the upward trend. Do you think we can take this? Let's look at it. It's something we could do, right? Oh no, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm seeing a red candle. I'm seeing a red candle. Now, when you see that something is going really high like this, it's going to turn around pretty soon. That's exactly what's going to happen. It's going to turn around pretty soon, right? So I think we should not deal with this, all right? Let's check it out. And the red candle, even though it's going up, I definitely won't choose this. It's really, you know, it's really on the high side. And right now, it's what about this FTG? Let's check here. Now, another thing I need to let you know, when you see coins look like this, right? Where it goes all the way up high, and then it's like it's coming and dumping down. There's something going on with BTC. Let's go check what's going on with BTC in BTC's life. Okay, I'm going to check the charts to see whether BTC has. Oh yeah, look at what I'm talking about. Can you see? BTC dumped today. That's it. Look at it. And once BTC has dumped, you can see that. Once you see BTC has dumped, even though it's trying to get its BTC has dumped, it's gonna. But that notwithstanding, doesn't mean that we can't do our trading. We can always do it. I'm just saying that I was just wondering why all of them were having the same, what's it called now? The same feel or the same look. Look at SRM. Let's check that one too. Let's check SRM. Let's check SRM. It's also going down, but it's not yet showing a red candle. Okay, let me open up the other options. Let's expand it. Let's see other ones we can take. Like I always do, I don't like to take the ones that are too high because very soon they will come dumping down. Let's look at this wombats. I mean, it's in pump mode. It's in pump mode. It's in pump mode. Would I go with this? Not sure yet. Let's look at this other one that is UNB. Let's look at UNB. This is bad. This is really bad. No way. Astra is going back up. But I'm not sure I have evidence that this will continue going back up. So this is a work you got to do, right? You have to keep on checking. You have to be sure, right, that you don't. Okay, look at this. Look at this. This is on a green candle. It had a pullback, but now it's on a green candle, right? But I'm not seeing the volatility. The volatility is not an evidence that I would choose this, right? So I'm just going to go back up briefly, one after the other, checking through. Oh, this looks good. It's not like as if it's really bad. I can say that, yeah, it's like it's going down a little bit, but let's see. Oh yeah, I'm seeing that it's on the downside. It's on the downside. You can see that the Bollinger Bands are closing up. Look at it. Once they're tightening, it's definitely changing. It's changing its feel. It's changing its feel. All right. I hope with this you are getting to see how we choose coins in spot trading, right? So this is supposed to help you to know how to choose coins. And let me tell you the truth. Everything we're doing here are just basically intelligent guesses. And that's the truth. Anything can happen in the market. Imagine someone, comes with very deep pockets and wants to wants to buy out this whole entire SPA. The price will shoot up high, like within a few seconds. That's what will happen. But what if somebody wants to sell off his portfolio? The price will go down. That's what's going on. So as we're seeing here, the interplay of buying and selling is what's giving us this price that we're getting. Okay, so that's just the truth, right? it would be on one of my lists here. So far, this still looks like I can actually play along with this a bit. In this case, I'm just wondering whether it's on the stock points, but let's go ahead. I'll check. Wombat. I wasn't sure whether Wombat was it for us. Oh my God. Maybe we should choose Wombat, but okay, you can see that the parabolic, what's it called now? The Bollinger Bands is actually still opening up. So because it's looking like that, then what is this also looking like? Maybe we should try this out. Let me check. Let's check. Oh, but before I go ahead, we haven't checked the 24-hour high and 24-hour low. Okay, 16 and 14. Oh, and it just has 41,000. Even though it actually looks like it's in a good position for us to work with. Let's just try and do a simulation. Let's check this out. We have 50. All right. So I'm just going to just pick that up, right? When we pick that up, we copy that and then we sell. We'll change what we have here. Oh, would it go higher than 16? I'm not sure, but let's see. Let's put 17. Let's put 17 there. And let's paste it and see. 55 cents. That's not much. That's just 1%. Will it go up? Would it look like it would go up? It looks like it would. Let's change this to 18, whether something will happen to this. Let's see what it's going to give us. Ooh, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. So if I change to 17, that's 7.5, 17.5, and then I paste that there. That's $2. Wow, that's like 40. Would I call that 40%? Something in that range? Because 10% would be 50 cents, right? So that's like 40%. Is this going to work? I don't know. Let's go back to the charts. Oh yeah, see what's going on here? It's gone down. It's gone down. It's gone down. So it's already in the downward mode. And I was actually guessing that because look at that. Look at the way the Bollinger Bands is. It's looking like it's going to begin to close up any moment from now. And that's what's happening exactly. And that's why you should give it time. Let me go back to that SPA. Let's check the SPA. I think SPA was giving us some good pointers that we could choose it. SPA. Oh, no, that's not it. No, I'm not good with this. I'm not going with this. So I'm sure you want me to take one. No, this is what I do. Before I choose one, I need to check every single thing. Let's go back to this highest one, NGL. This is totally closing in. No, it's already in the last mode. This is DPET, okay? It's DPET is already on the red point here. It doesn't look like we're really going to get something to use here. If not, we'll leave it and come back again. Okay, FTG. FTG looks like we can try it out. FTG. We could try this out. It's closing and now let's go with this. Let's go with this. All right. So let's go with this. Let's see that's 16 and 12. Okay. 16 and 12. 16 and 12. It has 114,000. Okay. Almost 114,000, 115,000 USDT as follow. Let's work with this. Okay. So let's go ahead and try and do a quick simulation, right? So what we have here is this amount. I'm just going to copy that and then I'll change this to, let's go ahead. Let's just copy this cell and change this to 6.5. Let's see, 6.5. What would this give us? If we get like 1 or 2%, well, 50, well, this is not bad. This is 30%. This is actually like almost 30%. So, well, let's go with this. Let's work with this, right? So let's go with the buy. I'm just going to put in 100% and let's try and buy. Okay. So, oh, sorry. It's asking me for my trading password and I'm not going to put this here. I may have to do this as another video. But for now, I'm not going to have to. This is a live, and I can't edit this. So I'm not going to do this. Wow. Except maybe what I'll do is I'll just pause it. Yeah, I'll pause the live stream. I'll pause the live stream and do this for you. All right, so I'm back. If you can hear me, if you can hear me, I'm back. Okay, let me see. Are you guys up there? Yeah, let's see. Are you here? Yeah, thank you so much for staying. So I just had to pause the live stream, right? So that I can put in my, so let's see. How much do we have now? Okay, let me see. Yeah, what happened was we have $1.36 available. So, okay, what happened? Was it that it didn't capture everything? Oh, so I'm gonna have to. I don't know whether this is actually gonna go in. I don't know. Let's see whether I can still get this to sell. Let me see. Would it allow me to buy? Order placed. I think I've been able to buy everything. Okay. All right. So we bought it. Let's go back and see how much we have. Let's put in 100%. Wow. Look at this now. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is going up. Awesome. Can you see what I am seeing here? Oh my God. Let's go ahead and sell. Beautiful. Did I make? Oh, I'm currently in the queue. I thought it. Let's cancel this, right? Look at what's going on here. Look at what's going on here. We can actually make profit. Let's go. We can act because right now, see, we're able to make profit, but because I just want to get this sold, right? Let's see. Let's go back and click on sell and choose a lower price. Then you can see, look at what's going on here. Oh no, we're gonna be in a loss, okay? But look at this, right? You can see now that, see what's going on. Oh, what's going on here? What is going on here? Okay. All right, see, if we pick the entire thing, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So see what's going on here. We have 31065, right? So we're actually just going back. Let's go and check what's going on in the charts. Oh, what's going on here? It actually went up higher, did it? Yeah, it did. So let me just refresh it one more time. Let's go back. Let's go back and sell. So I'm just going to change this to, see what it is. Can you see? This is it. This is the current price. We're supposed to click on that price. Can you see? Oh, we're going to have, that's just 7 cents. Currently, it's in profit though, but that's not much. So I'm just going to have to change that price. Let's go back. Let's refresh and then put that price in there. That's 61 what? Let's put 14 and let's see whether we can get that. Let's see what we'll get. 13 cents. Nah, I don't want that. Okay. So let's go back and put it at 6162. Let's check what was the highest high. What was the 24-hour high? That's 1650. Okay. So we can actually choose something else. Let's choose 16 4. Let's see. If we choose 16 4, we'll make 94 cents, almost 20, almost 20%. Okay. So that's almost 20%. All right. Okay, let's leave it at that. Let's leave it at that. Let's put that in the queue. Let's see. So we're currently in the queue right now. We're currently in the queue. The charts, it's still going up. It's still going up. We're currently here. Let's see how this will work. Okay. So for now, we've placed 2 trades. We've placed one in Binance. We'll go back and check that currently and see what's going on here. We placed this at 0.001655. What am I saying? Did I say 50? Did I say 20%? Sorry. I meant to say 2% because 1%. Let's calculate it. So that maybe my calculations are getting the best of me. So let's calculate it so that we'll be sure. Right? So let's go ahead. $50 times 2% is what? Oh, can you just imagine that? 2% is what? All right, so times 1% times 1% is what? 55 cents. So don't mind me, I was just giving you wrong calculations. Actually, 0.55 would give us one. So that 90 something cent was almost like 1.8. That should be 1.8. Yeah, that's like 1.8%. That was wrong of me, right? Don't mind me. Let's get back. Let's get back into what we were doing. All right. So that would actually be 1.8% thereabout. Okay, that's what it's going to give us. So we'll cover this. Like I said, all of these we don't necessarily have to finish them all up today, right? I'm definitely going to, do separate videos to finish them all up, or I'll come back live and get them finished, right? So we've done this, right? Let's go back and check what's happening in Binance. Okay, did we get it? Oh, are we still here? Seems like we're still here. Seems like we're still here. We're still in the queue, right? We're still in the queue. Yeah. So these are the kind of things that happen, and you feel like, oh, I should just have cashed out when I saw 280 cents. What do you think? What do you think? Tell me in the chats what you think about this, right? Should we have cashed out when we saw 15 cents, 20 cents, or should we still leave it? I mean, it's a trade, right? And if you look at the charts, you will see that it's still on the right, still on the right. It hasn't actually left that position. Oh, it has. It's actually gone down a bit. Look at it. This is where we were. Let's see. This is we actually bought it at how much did we buy it again? Let's check how much we bought it at. Okay, let's check it. How much did we buy it? Let's go back to the trade history. We bought it at how much? 6649. Okay, 6649 was where we bought it. Okay, that means that, oh, wait a second. Did we get to buy the, oh, we bought them at different times. See what's going on here. Can you see that? 6649. Yeah. So we bought it at 6649, and currently what is it at? 6650, about the same price. It's just still, like I saw something, it was just staying on the same point, right? So, oh yeah, it's even gone below. It's gone below. It's gone below right now. So at this point, we're just going to leave this out. So we'll look at one more trade before we go. So I'd like to know, do you have any questions? Any questions? Just drop that. Do you have any questions? Any questions? If you have any questions, let me know. So while we, get ready to do our third trade on another platform, right? While we wait, all right, so while we wait to get our trades done in the second platform that we'll be going in, right? We'll be looking at another, oh, this is 1 day. I'm going back to 1 hour. 1 hour is still going up, right? So I want to share with us, something really cool that I'll share with us. If you're here, I'd like you to just give me a little bit of attention so that I can share this with you. It's actually, a program that I believe that, will, give you some speed in your trading activities, in your trading venture. Just have this little presentation that I would like to share with us. So I want to talk about the mentorship learning and investment system, right? So I want to share with you, something that I had to come up with because people were asking for this, right? This is something that people were asking for. And I just did a little presentation just to explain the purpose of this mentorship learning and investment system. So this is a training system that rewards you for as you learn. You also invest simultaneously. Yeah, so that's the whole concept. You're learning and investing, and you're increasing your, investment portfolio. So as a subscriber to this system, you get a 10% cash back as an investment gift from our signature token, which pays its holders 3% of liquidity pool fees when we launch. So we're going to be launching very soon, and you will get to have a gift from us, right? Where, whatever, as in you're going to get a cash back. That means that when you invest in this mentoring, learning, and investment system, you're going to get some money back. Yeah. And it's going to come back in form of our token, right? And that's 10% of the value of what you pay. All right. So what are the MLI system? The MLI just means mentoring, learning, and investment system, right? So the number one is that we have 3 weekly live online mentorship sessions for live trading. Right? So in these sessions, we're going to share our screens. We'll carry out live trades together. The whole idea is to give you some hand holding, okay? Just like what I'm doing today, sharing the different nuances that go with doing spot, different other angles that we focus on. We focus on inter-exchange arbitrage, angular arbitrage, and we also take a deep dive in spot trading, right? And then we look at so many things that we need to look at while we're carrying out these trades. Okay, so we're going to have 3 weekly live online mentorship sessions, and these are good, can either be on Zoom, on Google. Going to be on YouTube like this. This YouTube is live for everyone to see, right? But it's going to be more private, okay? Either through Zoom or through Google Meet, right? Private to us, and you're going to get recordings of each of these trading sessions. And it's going to be a group, like a one-on-one group session with students just like you, right? And then we're going to share our screens, and you're going to be doing these things by yourself. Yes, one after the other. I'll hold your hand and take you through the steps. So that's it. You're going to, like I said earlier, you're going to get a 10% cash back as investment. It's an investment gift from us, from our signature token in our upcoming launch pad, right? So you're going to ask, I'm sure you're asking me, so when do I get to trade these tokens, right? When 30 days after you hold it, you'll be able to trade them. That's it. You just have to hold it for 30 days. And then after that, you can trade them, right, on the decentralized exchange on Pancake Swap. You can trade them. All of those, how to trade it, how to set all, you will definitely get all that information, right? You can trade your tokens and get your money back. Tokens, right? When we launch, and then by the time it starts increasing them, right? That's one of the beautiful things about actually having these tokens. So number 3 is that we're going to have a WhatsApp Q&A support today. So you'll be put in a special group, right? In a private group where everybody can discuss with each other. You'll have free opportunity to discuss, share ideas, ask questions, interact, right? Yeah. So that's another thing that people are also asking for. They're asking for, a place where they can share ideas, get information, rub minds with other people. You'll be able to rub minds with other people just like you. Traders, ask questions, each other. You never know, right? So there we're also going to sources and arbitrage apps and websites. Yeah, I know some of us already have these apps and websites, but we'll give you all that we have. We have like about 11 different ones that we share with our students. So you're also going to get that, right? So then, of course, which is very, very important, you're going to get a 50% discount if you take action today. Okay. So who is the MLI system for? This program is not for everybody. So yeah, I understand if you're already knowledgeable, you don't need hand holding, you're good. Right, you just need guidance. You can keep on watching the YouTube videos. That's fine. No problems, no qualms, right? But if you need hand holding and you want someone that can take you by the hand step by step, right? And that's who this program is for. And that's why we're giving that support, through the mentorship classes, through the WhatsApp support, through, the discussions and all of those things. And if you have questions, of course, you can always, send them to, and then they'll be answering you, right? So that's it. That's who it's for. Someone hand holding, who needs guidance, who needs a second eye, right? To help you check what's going on in the trades. Yeah, that's what this program is for. Some people need, help with checking out what's going on in the trades. Yeah, that's it. I hope I've been able to explain. So how much is the MLI system? I'm sure I can hear you screaming to me. Come on, share with me. How much is it? How much is it? It's just a simple token of $100. But if you take advantage of it today, you get it at $50. That's all. And if you want payment plans, you just need to, go with, what's it called now? You can do a deposit and then you can make a payment before our cohort starts. Okay. So every week we'll have that trading. So the Training day is actually Thursday. Okay. So if there's anything you would like to know, all you just click on the link in the in the description inside just below. Click on the link in the description, and then you can actually DM me, ask me all your questions, and then I'll be answering you. And guess what? If you're one of the first set of people to message me, right? Yeah. So if this sounds good and you really want to look at it, why not? Let's get started. All you just have to do is click on the link in the description and you'll be talking with me. All right. So I think I've been able to do that in like record time. Record time. Whoopee. Oh my God. See what happened here. See, now we're back to our trade, right? Let's go and cash out. Let's cash out. Let's cash out. Let's cash out. I'm cashing out. I'm cashing out. Whatever it gives me, I'm cashing out. So let's see. Okay, we'll make 30 cents, but let's go ahead. Oh, are we in the queue? It seems like we're back in the queue. I'm planning to cash out. I am planning to cash out. Let's go. Let's see. What do we make? Can we get... Oh, back in the queue? No, I don't... Oh, good. Anyways, see what happened here. What did we make? We made 23 cents. Now, this is not much money, right? I know, but the reason why, I wanted us to be able to achieve something before the end of this class, right? We could actually have left it. Let me tell you something. This was actually on, its way up. Look at it. I knew it was going to go up, but I'm not sure. I said, look, it's better to be safe than sorry. Right? It's better to be safe than sorry. I knew it was going to be on a trajectory. I could have left it till another, maybe like about 2 hours. Sure that this is going to go up. Really don't let me not say I'm sure. Nothing is sure in the cryptocurrency world, right? Nothing is sure. What I will tell you is that, you can only just be sure of whatever you see right now. Okay? You're only sure of what you see right now. Sorry guys, I just wanted to plug in. Yeah. You're only sure of what you can now. Okay. So seeing it and you're not sure, it's better to be safe than sorry. And that's one thing I just wanted to let you know. Right. Let's go check what's going on in KuCoin. Let's go check what's going on in KuCoin. Let's go see what's happening in KuCoin. Oop, where are we? What's going on here? Look at this. Let's go back and see. Let's see. Oh, it looks like it's going up. Still going up. We're still in a going up mode, right? So this one, I'm not going to be quick to cash out. I'm just going to wait for it. You can see it's actually going up. Right? It's actually going up, right? So we're going to come back to that. So we're going to leave it the way it is. So this was what? FTG USDT, right? Okay, so we're going to leave this and allow it. We're going to come back, come check this out and see and conclude all of these, right? If I see that this is working and I can see that we've gotten to a point, I'm just going to come back here and start a live all over again. Okay, so I hope you guys have learned something. Is it worth your time? Is it worth your time being here? Please let me know in the comments if being here and watching this live trades, helped you in any way, right? What I just did, on Binance was just to see how we can achieve a completion of a paid spot trading activity, right? I just wanted us to actually finish that up. Very, very important. You reward yourself with achievement, and that's what exactly we have done here. And well, we made profit. Not so much of a profit though. It wasn't up to 1%, but it was still good that we didn't make a loss. See what later on. Currently, what we have is it's at 6673. The other time, let's see, where did it get to? It actually got to, I think, where did it get to? Let's see. I think it got to 6684. It got there. If we had really cashed out at that point, we would have made probably like 50 cents or something like that, right? So I hope that was good. Let's try one more platform. All right. Do you want to try? Should we try out one more platform? If you want us to try out one more platform, just say yes in the comments. If you're here, you can just say yes in the live chat. Let me check. I'm not seeing us. Okay. I'm not seeing. Let me see. I'm seeing the live chat. But I want to be sure If you want us to do one more, if you want us to do one more, let's see. Let me know. I'm trying to check the live chat to be sure. Okay, if you want to do one more. Yes, I can see. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I can see that someone say, yeah, let's go ahead. Let's do one more. That's fine. Thanks for saying yes. I saw your yes in the comments. So let me go ahead and let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. So we're gonna let's try doing this on BitGet, right? So let's try doing this on BitGet, right? So you can see that this is possible. Yeah, it's possible. You can actually make money. I mean, if we were patient, right, we would have been able to do this and get our exact $1. I think that was $1.23. We would have been able to get that if we were patient. But I just wanted us to see that we can make money in spot trading, and we actually did, right? So let's go ahead. All right, guys, can you hear me? Just want to be sure. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I can see. That's it. Who's this here? That's Rahim. Rahim says yes. So I love that. Okay, Rahim. I'm currently on BitGet, so let's get cracking. Let's get cracking. Let's get cracking. Okay, so we're on BitGet right now. Okay, and I just want to show you that most of these platforms already have the same things across board, right? So you go to Gators. We have just all you just have to do when you're on the homepage on BitGet. All you just have to do is just, scroll through all the way down, and then you'll see gainers, you'll see losers, you'll see newly listed, you see volume and all those good stuff. So obviously just go to gainers, right? That's our friend. That's where we are. Yeah. So let's go to gainers and check these out one after the other. Now, this should be quick because I'm not going to spend too much time. Just look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at 103%. Oh my God. What's this? Let's just click on it. Clips. I mean, there's some very funny names. Oh God. Just see this. See this. This is what happens when we call it a false. What will I call it now? This is an artificial pump. When there are new coins coming up, right? Let's check one day. You'll see how long this coin has been there. Let's see how long this coin has been. Well, it's not a new coin. It's not a coin. It's been here for a while. It's not actually a new coin. So what happened to it? What happened? Okay, what happened? Okay, it's not really a new coin. Let's get back in 1 hour. So you can see what's going on here. It's been on the flat for a long while. Look at it. It's been on the flat. As you can see, it was on the flat. And all of a sudden, it shoots up high. What is the cost of this? When there's a promotion, some people could just pick up a coin and begin to promote it. So you can see that it went all the way up in the past, how many hours? Like in the past 5 or 6 hours, it shot up high. Look at it. It's shot up high and now it's coming down. So it's not a good one. It's already going flat. So we can't, you can see the Bollinger Bands. It's on its widest arc. At this point, you can see solid curving. It's already closing up. Don't even go there. So let's go back and check the next one. Let's see. Oh, this is Pepco. Pepco is 42%. Okay, let's see. We could try this out. And the price of the coin is just 0.0049. Yeah. Nah. No way. You can see that the Bollinger Bands. No, we don't have parabolic SARS to be able to give us something more accurate. Because for me, parabolic SARS is still my own absolute favorite. But I can just follow it by Bollinger Bands. It's when you see that it's expanding, it's going up high. When it's contracting, the price is going down. And you can see it's contracting right now. And you can see that the red candles are already deepened. So it's a no-no for me. Okay, Loom is here also. Let's see what's going on in Loom. Oh, this looks good. It's looking good, but let me check the RSI. The RSI is what? 76. It's dicey. It is dicey, but I mean, it's good though. It's in pump mode. Should we go with this? Let's do a simulation quickly. Let's do a simulation. Yeah, look at this. We've got um we've got this is the only thing is that it's 16 cents. So, and the amount I have here is just is $25. So it's not, we need to have a small coin. We need to have a small coin. But how many can we do of this? But it's not as if we can't use 25 to do this. But let's go. Okay, say the volume 3.4. Not bad. 3.4 million. It's small, but it's not bad. I mean, in some cases you see less than 3 million, right? So it's something we can look at. The 24-hour high was 1680, while the 24-hour low 1219. Okay, let's go and see. This looks like it's good. It looks good. It looks juicy, but I'm scared that this is going to change any moment from now. See what's going on here. See what's happening here. Can you see? It's already going down. The pullback has started. But well, let's see if we can catch some little hope. So this is what? Loom USDT. Let's just check it. Let's check Loom USDT. Let's check Loom USDT. Let's see. Let's just try and do a quick simulation. We've got $25 here. Let's see what we can do. Let's go ahead. Put in the $25. That's 149.6. Copy. And then let's go to sell and put this at 66. It went on to 668, right? 168. What was it again? It went to where? It went to 1680. Okay, it went to 1680. So if I put 1670, let me see what that will give me. 1670, and then I paste that loom there. It's not gonna cut it. No, it's not gonna cut it. So we have to. Okay, let's go back and see. It's gotten higher, or is it gotten lower? Which one has happened? What has happened to the price? Okay. Oh, it's already on 1671. Okay, it's in pump mode. It's actually in pump mode. Let me see. I could take this. I could actually take. Let's go and put in 25. 149.6. Okay, 149.6. We need to make this higher. Let's say put it 1680. Let's put 1680 there. And then let's put in that. Okay. This is not much. 13 cents? No, I'm not working with that. The reason why this is looking like it's not like so profitable is because of the price of the coin vis-a-vis, if you compare it to your capital. If I had $100 here, it will make more sense, right? But because this is $25, we need to choose a lower coin. Now, the reason why I'm showing us all of these is because you can see we've done this on 3 different platforms. We did on Binance, we used $100. We went to KuCoin, right? And we used how much? $50. And now we're here in BitGet, which I have $25 in here, right? And you're seeing that, okay, I'm trying to take on a 16-cent coin. But then I'm not going to get as many pieces. I'm just getting 149 pieces. That's not enough. I need to choose a tinier coin. Let's go back. I hope you're getting something from here. Please let me know in the comments if this is making sense. Is this making sense? Are you learning something from here? If you are, please give me some feedback. Come on, show me some love. Say it in the comments if you're getting some real cool stuff from here. Let me know, right? Let YouTube know that that this is making sense. Yeah. How many of us are here? How many of you have liked this this live? Come on, like this live. It's time for you to like this live. If you've gained a lot of information from here, come on, like this live. Okay, let me get back into work, right? Let me get back into work. If you're here and you know you're gaining something, oh, thank you. I can see, yes, it's making sense. Thank you, Rahim. I appreciate that. So please like the live. Let me know that you're gaining something from here. So let's get back. Let me get back into looking for the coin. Because we have $25, and this will help us all if we don't have so much capital to work with, and you're looking at a $25 or $20. Let's go on a hunt for the coin that will suit us, right? So we can't work with a 16-cent coin. It's not going to give us as much profit. Now, it actually has some profit in it, and the parameters are looking good, but the price is higher than what we need. Oh, look at this one, MK7. Let's check that out. 0.0. Oh, no, I'm not going to choose this. Now, can you see what I'm saying here? Look at the parabolic. I keep on saying parabolic stars. Don't mind me. Look at the Bollinger Bands. It's tightened up. It looks like it might widen, but I'm on this. No, I'm not going to take any chances on this. It's actually, you can see it got stuck for a while. And no, it's already showing its true color. It's going down. There's no need. It's going down. Even MK, where is it again? Let me show you the RSI. The RSI is already on a downward trend. Oh, is that not what I saw? I saw the RSI on the downward. Is that on the downward trend? Okay, it's not okay. See the RSI. No way. Can you see the RSI? No going. And that's why you need to have, you can't just look at just one technical analysis indicator. You need to have this combined minimum of two, right? So be able to make a proper choice. No, RSI has already told me this is nowhere to go. Okay, let's see. Let's look at Smurfcat. I did a video on Smurfcat, and I'm Smurfcat looks like it's good, but it's no, look at it. Just look at it. Look at this. It's about to shoot up high, but it's still in tight zone. It's trying to break free. It just had, look at those three preceding red candles. Whew. Will this run? It looks like it's gonna run. It looks like, but I'm not 100% sure. But it's on pump mode. Let's try it out. Let's leave this one for now. It's still tight. It's in the tight zone. It's in the tight zone of the Bollinger Bands. So it's not giving me comfort, right? So let me go with this one. Which one is this one again? Bitcoiners or something? What's that? That looks like it's gonna give us some good. This is a very tiny coin. Or Capo. Let's check Capo. Let's look at Capo. Okay. Oh no, it's not. It was looking a little bit on the bright side here, but I'm seeing it's actually tightening up. No, I'm not going to go there. I'm not going to go there. But it looks like this. Let's check. Smurfcat may look like something we can look at. Oh, it's loaded. Okay. Loaded. This looks like something that will work. It looks like something that will work, because look at what's going on here. It's tightening up, but it's in pump mode. Well, would I look at this? It's in pump mode, and I'm seeing that the RSI is going up. At what point is it? It's at where? Let's see. Where is our? It's at 59. Okay. Let's go and try something else with this Bitcoin BSC. Let's see. But before we go ahead, let's check. Look at the volume. Very small amount of money. 53,000. That's not much. It's because the amount, the coin is very small. That's the reason why. 129.37 trillion. Oh my God. Let's go. Let's try out something. Here. Let's try it. Let's just look at it. I mean, it's not as if I want to use it, but I just want to see whether this can even give us some profit. Okay. So let's put in the 25. And let's see. This is it. Look at the amount that it's giving us. Just look at the amount. No, I want everything. 25. That is going to give us this amount. Let's copy it. Then we'll come back here and change this one. Let's even, before I go ahead, I need to check what is the high. The highest high it ever went to. The highest high it ever went to was 4995. Okay, so if it went to 4995, what's it gonna give me? 4995, and the lowest was what? What was the lowest? The lowest was No, it's a far distance. It's showing that even the coin is appreciating. So let's go ahead and put let's even put 4.3, and let's even see for just 4.3 alone. Oh, sorry, I need to put sell before I do that. Let's put 4.3. I just put 4.3. What's that? Let's put 4.3, and then we'll put the quantity here. Can you see? Okay, it's giving us, how much is this giving us? 33 cents. Okay, not bad, because that is over 1%, right? That's over 1%, because 1% would have given us 25 cents, right? So that's not bad, but I think we would want more. So let's go back and try. Let me go back to the charts to be sure that it's in rising mode. It's in rising mode. It's in rising mode. It looks like it's going to give us what we're looking for. It looks like I always tell you, there are no absolutes in the crypto world. There are no guarantees, right? Let's hope this will not take a whole long time before we get out of this, right? So, but because the coin is very tiny and I'm looking at a good profit potential, I want to go ahead with this, right? But I mean, look, life is all about risk, right? So let's put the entire amount here and let's see what we can get. Okay, but let me first of all refresh. Can I get to buy this? Can I get to buy this? You know, again, if it doesn't have enough liquidity, we may not be able to buy. So let's put that here and let's see whether we can get this bought with speed. Let's go ahead and see. Yeah, so I was trying to just take a quick screenshot of that. Okay, so let's see. Okay, good. So now I'm going to, let me click on that again, put in my entire amount, the same $25, and let's see if we can go with this. Okay, we're buying. Oh, all right. So I'm just going to confirm. Let's go with it. Oh, did you hear that? Did it buy it? Oh, it did. It actually did. Ooh. But see, we actually still have 28 cents. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and set a sell limit. Let's go ahead. Ooh. And set. Oh my God. Oh no, I made a mistake. I forgot. I bought it at a very high price. Oh no. So how are we gonna do this? That's not good. That was a mistake. I mean, you're seeing my mistakes live, right? I was supposed to tap that. That's the reason why it's sold. That's the reason why it's sold. But would I be able, let's even say I want to sell this. Would I be able to get my money back? Oh no. See what's going to happen here. So that means if I did that, I'm going to have to put a sell limit that's higher. I'm going to have to put 4.4 there. Let's see. Let's see if I can put 4.4 here. Let's see if this will work. All right. Let's go ahead. Anyways, you see what happened here? And please, you have to be careful about this because this can happen too. I was supposed to tap the price because I thought, you know, as I just clicked on buy, you know, just like the way in Binance, when you click on buy and sell again, everything resets. That's not the same for this platform. You gotta have to tap it again. You gotta have to tap it again, right? So what we're doing here, let's just be sure that this is gonna go up. But I'm hoping. Let's go ahead and click on the entire thing. Well, we'll be able to make this amount. Well, at this point, let me change it to 4.3 if I can just get my money back. Let me see if I can get my money back. Oh, no. Can I get my money back? I might be able to. Let me go and check the trade amount to see it. Oh, but look at it. Look at what we have here. In the USDT, see, we still have 28 cents. We have 28 cents. So what that means, because we still have 28 cents here, we actually did much. Let's check the trading. Let's go and check the trading amount. Let's check our trade details. Okay. There's no open order. See, we actually bought it. See what we did. We bought it. Oh, what am I saying? We bought it for 4,265. Interesting. Oh, so I didn't make the mistake altogether. I you make the mistake? I thought I did. Don't mind me. I thought I made a mistake. See, it was sold in different portions, right? 4243. Wow, see it. I actually thought I made the mistake. No, 4248. Interesting. Can you see that? 4257. Interesting. So we're good. We're good. We are good. Yeah, we are good. So, but see, we still have 28 cents. So anything we're doing now, if it goes, if we're able to get like 33 cents over that, we're cool, right? So that means that the entire amount of money that we spent, I'm just going to calculate that, was how much? Was 25 minus, right? 28 cents. So all we've spent is 24.72. So anything we're looking at right now is based on 24.72, right? That's what we're looking at. And that's what we should consider. Okay. So let's go back. Now, I actually thought I made a mistake, so I didn't. So I'm cool. So let's go ahead. Currently, what is the price? Let's go back. Oh my gosh. Is it going up? Is it going up? It's not going up for now, but anyways, it's still gonna go up. You see, look at it. I was kind of fooled. Look at it. I was kind of fooled because it was in pump mode. It was going up. But what I should have done was I look at it. It was tightening. I was seeing the RSI looking up. I said, okay, even though it tightened, because in some cases, look at it, it could tighten and then open up back again, tighten and open up back again. Because at this point, it looked like, it had its pullback here at this point, and then it was already on an upward trajectory, as you can see here. But anyways, things can change. We'll still go set our sell limit as usual, right? So let's go and set our sell limit. So our sell limit that we want to put here, I'm going to put 4 there and see what's going to happen. Let's put 4, and then we will sell all of this. Okay. This is a lot. Let's be calmer. Let's be calmer. Let's do something else. Okay. Let me put this as 432. Let me see what we'll get. 2509. No, that's 9 plus what? That is what? 74. That we're currently in you can see here now, we're currently in the queue right now, and then it's already in L mode. So let's wait and see. So what we're supposed to get is 25.14. So, that's 149. Let's just say 25.14. Let's go and see what profit we're supposed to get from here. What is a profit, right? So it's supposed to be, let me put that there, minus 25.14. Well, we're going to get 68 cents, which is like almost like, what would we call that? 68 cents. What would that be? Let me see. 25 times, what would that be? Let me see. What's 1.5%? Let's see. Let me take that away. 1.5%. What am I doing? Let me do 2% and see. 2%. Oh, it's even more than 2. What am I saying? Come on. Don't mind me. That's even more than 3%. Is that not 3%? Oh, it's not up to 3%. So like 2.6 something. Let me check that. Don't mind me. Me and my yeah. Let's just say 2.7% is 68 cents. 2.7, yeah, 2.7%. 2.7%. Don't mind me. I need to learn more about mathematics. So, anyways, if that would be 2.7% profit. 2.7% profit. That's cool. But like I always tell you, I don't have to wait till it gets to that point, right? That's the beauty of trading. I don't have to wait. If by the time I come back and the price is now in the range of, what's the price now currently? The price is, let's go back into the charts to see what the price is currently, right? If by the time I come back and the price is 431 or something like that, I'll just cash out, okay? And I'll come back live to show you that I'm doing that. Okay. So anyways, we've gone through 3 Platforms now. Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. I can see this is I'm trying to get the name. Sudorika. Thank you very much. I appreciate your like and your comments. Yeah. So if you have any questions and anything you would like to ask, please do that in the chat. Let me know. Let me know. And I can always, come back and do more of these trades for you. All right. So let's go ahead and go back to Binance and do a quick recap, right? So that we can bring this trading session to a close. Okay, so I'm going to go back into Binance. Don't forget, we did Binance. We went to KuCoin. Oh yeah, let's go check in KuCoins. We're going to see what's happening in KuCoin. We're going to definitely come back and do all of these. So see where we are. Oh my God. What did we lose? Let's see. Well, was it a best decision? Oh my God! See, I'm trying to bite my mouth. Was it? Oh yes, it was a good decision. Yes, it was a good decision to quickly catch up. But let's see. Was it a good decision for us? Yes, it was. It was the best decision for us to quickly come out of that trade. Now look at it right now. It's still trying to make its way. Yeah, it's still trying to make a way, and it's looking like a red candle. And that means it's definitely on its way down at this point, right? So this is what I would like to tell you. When you see that, I mean, the parabolic size is still going upwards, and we can see that, and we can see that even the RSI is still within the 60s range. So that means it's heading towards 70, but it's still cool. But at this point, I'm seeing that very soon the parabolic size will start coming down. It was close, it was at the verge of coming down, and that's why it hadn't switched at that point. So don't forget, always check out all these parameters. Very, very important, right? Very, very important. Right now, it's on a red candle, so that means it's going down. It's going down. So it was a good decision for us to quickly make our way out, and we still made money. Okay, so let's go back and check what's happening on KuCoin. Yeah, let's see whether we made a good decision to do that. Okay, let's go to KuCoin. Ooh, are we good? Are we good? I don't know. I don't know. Wow, we have made it. Whoop, 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 whoop. Can you see what I'm saying? We had a good, oh my God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. See, we made 87 cents over our $50. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. If you love this, say, I love this. Say that, I love this. Say it, I love this in the comments. Can you see? Let's go calculate it. We had $50 and then we did a trade and there are, okay? Let's go ahead and check the calculations. Where is that? Calculations. Oh no, what am I doing? I'm getting so excited. Yeah, I know. I know. I'm excited. I love it when I make money. I love it when I make money like this. Okay, cool. So $50, right? $50 times what? We made 87 cents. 87 cents. Okay. So times, I think that was 1.8. Was that 1.8? 1.8. Well, actually, don't forget, it's 87 cents, but they've taken out the trading fees. It was supposed to be 97, so something in that range. So anyway, what we have now is 87 cents. So let's reduce that to 75. Yeah, cool. So actually, the percentage that we made, the profit percentage we made was 1.75%. Wow. Celebrate with me. Come on, celebrate with me that we made money on this one. Cool. So we made money in Binance. In the trade, we came out early, but it was a good decision. And I'm teaching you that you don't necessarily have to be so adventurous, right? All you have to do is that once you're making profit, just get out of that place, okay? You can always come back, check another trade, and see how you can make money, okay? So in this one, it was a better decision, right? You can see we got 87 cents in our KuCoin. Beautiful. Beautiful. In KuCoin, we made 87 cents. That was 1.75% profit, okay? Delicious. Good. So that's FTG/USDT. Okay. So now let's go back and check. I mean, look at what happened. Look at what happened. Let's go to the charts. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. We made a good choice. We made a good choice. Can you see that? See how it's going up? beautiful. And, at first I was not sure because it was tightening up. And I was like, oh my God, is this a good choice? But because I saw that there was already a pullback and then it was already in an upward mode. So I knew that definitely this was going to go up, right? So we thank God it worked out well. To God be all the glory. So let's go back and check. Finally, in BitGet, I think that's the limit. That's the only one that's left right now. Yeah. So out of 3 trades, we made money on 2 so far, and we're on our way to making money here. So let's check the charts again. One more check and we'll be done. Okay. Oh, well, let's wait. Let's hope this one. Okay, it's at 4227, right? So let's wait for it. I'll come back and give you the results. This is live trading with income strategies, right? And if you want to be part of the MLI system, like I said, you want us to hold your hand. You want us to go through this is also the spot trading. We haven't talked about triangular arbitrage and how to go about it. We haven't talked about inter-exchange arbitrage and how to look at all the ways to get your money out of all those exchanges. Oh, it's going to be sweet, right? If you need hand holding, don't forget to click the link in the description and you'll be talking with me. Thank you so much. It was actually my pleasure, right, to facilitate this class today. I enjoyed myself. I'm sure you can see that I'm enjoying myself doing this. It's what I love to do. It's a passion for me, right? And if you would like me to be your guide, like I said, you can send me a DM right away. All you just have to do is click on the description and you'll be talking with me. Okay, thank you so much. So we come back to another live trading tutorial. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.